Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Instagram. Not everyone can message this person. For example, if you open Instagram and try to message a random person on Instagram and you see that there is written that not everyone can message this person. For example, if you try to message a person on Instagram, after that, as you send a message to that person, you see that there is written that not everyone can send this person a message. So how this happened? This is due to the security restriction of that person. So which means you can simply cannot message that person after the person allows you to message you. So in this way you can simply send the message to that person. But now Instagram has changed the policy. Now if you message a new person on Instagram and after that they accept your message request, then you will be able to message that person. So if you want to solve that, so how you can also apply that setting? For this you have to simply click on profile, and after that you have to simply click on three lines, and after that you have to scroll it down. And first of all you have to simply change your account privacy to private account, and after that you have to scroll it down until you go find message and story replies. So here you have to simply find message controls. So here you can simply see that the option is available. Decide who can send you message requests and add you to group chats. So here you can simply see that if a person send you a message request, then you can simply see that if you allow that person, then they will be available to message you. So if you see here, you can simply see that others on Instagram. So if they are not your followers and try to message you, then you will get a message request, and if you go allow them, then they will be able to message you on Instagram. But if you do not want to get the messages, then you have to click on don't receive request. Moreover, you can also select this option here, and after that no one will be able to message you on Instagram without your permission. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.